That all people shall play and dance and sing this. What other music could that be? Reggae. You know, it's my life as a people.
Are you a rich man? You have a lot of possessions?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life.
No había ningún grupo de rap en España que dijera las cosas a lo mejor políticamente tan incorrectas.
Most of us don't want change, modification.
I want to know